Hey, what's up XRP holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. My friends, today is a very good day for all cryptocurrencies holders because today, my friends, the whole cryptocurrencies price very fastly increase and all coin is now in the pumping mode except of the kamaye, except of the Sunshono. Only these two coin is in negative. Except of these two coin, the whole cryptocurrencies price is positive. And my friends, the another good news for all of you is that especially the XRP pricing is also positive, and I hope that XRP will continue these kind of positive changes for a very long term. And I'm also very happy to see these kind of changes in my friends. If this kind of changes just continue for 1 week, so absolutely they will make you millionaire. They will give you a very huge amount of profit. So buy now more and more XRP Ripple coin before the price become very high. Buy now. And also my friends, also please subscribe is very important for all of you. If you subscribe my channel, so I will guide you, I will give you the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. Now my friends, let me show you the latest last 1 hour update of the XRP Ripple coin. Absolutely, you can see my friends that my friends from this point, that is the latest point, and that is the current price of the XRP just in the last 60-minute update. Look here, that is the 60-minute changes of the XRP Ripple coin. So my friends, if every 60 minutes the price pump like that, so there is no doubt that XRP will make you millionaire. Buy now more and more XRP Ripple coin. Positive 0.61% the price increase in 0.715473 USD dollar is the latest price of the XRP Ripple coin. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.